Today guys, as the video says, I do have yet another WeatherTech Sunshade review, but this time around it's going to be for the 4th gen Honda Prelude. I know I do have a few subscribers that do follow the channel because of the Prelude, so this video is for you guys. Hopefully it helps you out and possibly you may be purchasing the Sunshade as well. Now of course I do have some other WeatherTech reviews on Sunshades for the 5th gen Prelude and then for the Del Sol. And also I did use the window visors on the 5th gen Prelude if you guys want to go ahead and check those out. I do have some experience with the WeatherTech product, and just from my experience with WeatherTech, I could tell you that WeatherTech puts out a very good product. It fits as it should, and I really can't find another company that puts out a product similar or better than WeatherTech. So this is the reason why I choose to purchase from this company. Now without taking any more time, let's go ahead and take a look what's in the box. I did purchase the carry travel bag, so whenever you roll up your Sunshade and throw it in the trunk or the back seat, it doesn't get punctured or damaged. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright guys, so here is the WeatherTech box that it was shipped in, and let me go ahead and take out the Sunshade here. So here we have the Sunshade in its plastic, and then we do have the carry bag with the receipt. So of course guys, I've shown you the carry-on bag or the protective bag. It's just a sleeve for the Sunshade, and then it does have a drawstring, so if you want to tighten it up you can go ahead and do that. But I always just buy it. It just makes it look a lot better in the car. It's black, and the Sunshade is all silver, so if you want reflective, the sun hitting it while you're driving, I always just throw it in the back of my seat. But you know, the sun could be hitting it and then all types of reflections inside your car, so I always purchase it. I think it's like 15 extra bucks, something like that. And now what you guys really came to see is the Sunshade. So here it is right here. It does have the Velcro strap to close it up so it won't come undone, and some real simple instructions, but you guys already know we don't need those. But here it is guys. So of course, like I tell you all the time, it does have like a foam center, so it does make it nice and thick to absorb the heat. It does have some nice stitching on there on the trim, on the edges, and of course with the WeatherTech logo with the name right there, made in the USA. There it is right there guys. You know, brand new, looking real crisp. Then has the black side on the back end, so whenever it's cold and you want that heat in your car, you know, it might be snowing wherever you're at, or whatever type of weather where it's cold, you know, you could get that heat inside of your car. Definitely does make a difference, and I could tell you the reflective side as well makes a difference on the car. I really recommend these to anyone that is wanting to protect their interior or just lower the temperatures whenever coming into their car after work or outside the mall, whatever it is. I really recommend it guys. So let's go ahead and take a look on how it fits inside of the Prelude. Okay guys, so there is the Sunshade right here. Look at the fitment. Of course on the edges, pretty much like every car, you can't really completely get the edges. And then on this other side, that's the only complaint, maybe, if there is a complaint. So it looks pretty good as far as for the fitment. Looking at it from the outside. Let's take a look at it from the inside. Looks very nice and cool. And of course the edges comes all the way up. This one is a little bit different from the other Sunshades that I've purchased, just because this Sunshade actually comes up all the way to the sun visors, which is probably a ½ inch compared to where the windshield is at. But I mean, either way, it's holding up by itself, and I don't have to use sun visors to hold it up. And then in the corner there, it's just a little bit of the sun that it's not blocking. But you know, you can't have every little perfect gap closed and no sun. And of course right there by the rear view, the fitment on this is pretty nice, and like the other Sunshades if you ask me. And then just to take a look at the 4th gen, and then this one here, I probably had it for about 3 years and still serving its purpose. So I highly recommend the sunshades, guys. This is not like the ones from Walmart or from AutoZone. These are much more superior. Alright guys, there you have it right there with the WeatherTech sunshade for the 4th Gen Prelude. Like I said, it's just a bit different from the other sunshades I had gotten. You know, I got the one for the Prelude, the F-150, and the Del Sol. This one's just different because the sunshade goes up to the sun visor instead of ending at the windshield. But like I said, it doesn't really make an issue because it still holds itself up and it blocks the sun out as it should. So that's what it is for the 4th Gen Honda Prelude. Hopefully I helped some of you guys out just as a quick review for the sunshade. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. I really do appreciate you viewing this video and staying to the end. So I'll catch you on the next one, alright?